Hello everyone, today we're going to do another review. This time we're going to review the Knipex adjustable range. They are like a new design of the old version of the adjustable range. They've been here for a while, but I just wanted to talk a little bit of how good they are when you compare it to other ones, to the old-fashioned way. The material is excellent. It's very good material. They made in Germany. Let's see this one, the 7 inches. This is one of the smaller ones they have. It's very practical because it's small. The handle is with a rubber handle, so it's not that thick, but it is soft. It's really come nice to your hands. And the way it works is that you push this button here and you open to the size that you're looking for. But the good thing is that because it's open like a plier, it gives you more easy way to grab the screw, tie it up a little bit more, and then you can move it more easy. Compared to the old-fashioned way, you can see that they move. So sometimes that movement that they have, they mess up the head of the screw. So sometimes that movement is not good. With this option here that you press and you close the handle, that movement do not exist. So that's why it's very good. And you can choose many different sizes, and they get locked once you get to the position that you design. They're slim, so you can get into really tight spaces, because the point in the front is very thin. It's very slim there, so you can get inside. Another nice thing is that they have no teeth, so they will not damage the head of your screw. Make it really nice. And this is the 7 inch, so it's easy for those tight spaces where you have many things, or inside a cabinet that you're working fixing a pipe in plumbery. This one small one, they come really nice. When we come to the big one, this one is a 10 inch. It really open really big. The opening capacity of this one is like 1 inch 3/8 inches. So it's really big. The handle of this one is way much better because it's a little bit much bigger, so your hand fit better. It's comfortable, and I think the quality is way better. It will last longer than just this little plastic. This one is way better handle. Of course, they come a little bit more expensive when they come with this handle. Like this one costs around $60, but it's really nice. Compared to this one, this Crescent is just $13. The opening capacity is 1 inch, but it's really nice too. And this harbor fray is just $10. This one is 8 inches. The Crescent is only 6 inches. The opening capacity of this one is like 1.5 inches. It's really good too. But this one again has the same movement. As you can see, it moves. So sometimes it can damage the head or your screw. There are some more expensive one, like this Channellock. It costs almost $30, but it is way much better than this one, because this one doesn't have almost no movement at all. Just move a little bit. It's way more precise and way much better, but it's of course a little bit more expensive. One of the things that make them also very nice is the speed that you can change the size that you want to use. For example, this one, even though it's a little bit expensive and the quality is good, but when you wanted to look for another size, you have to keep moving the little ball here to get the size that you're looking for, and it take a little bit more time. With this one, you just push that button and you can go to any size that you're looking for. Really fast. Small, big, it doesn't matter. And then you, like I say, when you close it, you tie it up that size that you want to work. It give you more precision, and it will not damage the head of the screw that you tighten or loosen. It protects it a little bit much better than this one. The way it does it is that it have this mechanism here, like a plier, that when you close the plier, the middle head here is tied up to the top by this connection in here. You tie it up way to the top. Okay, this is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Please give it a thumbs up to the video.